Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to fix error connection timed out from Google Chrome. So just let's start. So the first thing that you guys have to make sure is that you guys are connected to a good internet connection, because if you guys are not connected to a good internet connection, Google will might leave you with several problems. So make sure that you guys are connected to a good and a reliable internet connection, and also make sure restarting your router once. And after making sure these things, you guys have to make sure one more thing. Just go on to your task manager and search here Chrome. And after searching Google Chrome, just right click on it and click on end task. And after doing these two things, your problem of error connection timed out will be fixed. And that's how you guys can easily fix the problem of Google connection timed out. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.